Everyone worries about the cost of college, and the uncertainty from the coronavirus has only made things worse. I'm Charlie Maynard, co founder of Going Merry, and we started Going Merry with the sole purpose of helping families like you get better access to financial aid. We've partnered with our friends at Find the Right College to help you explore what you can do now to find out the real cost of college and then make it as affordable as possible. And there are 3 key steps that we recommend. Step 1 is to prepare for the FAFSA. This is the form that the government and colleges use to determine how much aid you qualify for. Students who complete it access $14,000 in federal aid on average. The form becomes available on October the 1st, but there are certain steps you can take now to prepare. The most important one is to have your family's tax documents ready, as the question on the FAFSA that are trickiest relate to your family finances. In the video description, you'll find 4 relevant links. 1, a guide to the FAFSA. 2, a complete list to all of the FAFSA questions. 3, advice on answering the trickiest questions. And then 4, a list of helpful financial tips for your family. The second step is to find the real cost of different colleges. The majority of families will receive some financial aid from their college. And this means that the listed or sticker price on the college website can be misleading. That's why we built our college cost comparison tool, which you can find in your Going Merry account. This is where you can list different colleges to see an estimate of how much financial aid you'll receive, and therefore what the real cost of that college will be. This takes into account both the grants and scholarships from government and from the college itself, which are the 2 largest sources of financial aid. The third and final step is to consider how you can cover any financial gaps. After receiving your financial aid package, your expected household contribution might still be quite high. There are different options for how you can pay this, the most common being savings or external scholarships or loans. Therefore, it's important at this point to keep saving and also see if there are opportunities for your student to contribute as well, for example, through a summer job. In addition, it's never too early to start the process of researching and applying for external scholarships. When your child creates an account on Going Merry, they'll get a list of all the scholarships they're eligible for. The final option is student loans, which unfortunately around 70% of families have to take. This, of course, should be the last resort after you have maximized your free money. After starting your Going Merry account, you'll also find a college budgeting tool that allows you to forecast how to cover the remaining cost of each college and gives advice around student loans and how to minimize them. Lastly, we have a separate video series dedicated solely to financial aid if you do want more information on federal aid, state aid, work study, scholarships, or loans. If you're interested in watching those videos, you'll also find a link in this video's description. Thanks very much.